Hi everyone, we're at Eureka Treasure Train. We are going to do 5-cent denom. We got $100 in. We're going to do 150 bet. Someone left on a bonus. Hopefully we get the next one. Land it here soon. We actually never played this game. It's our first time playing this one too.
I've only seen it online.
Yes. We played the old school one where it's without the train, without the tracks and stuff. But oh. So we need 3 of those. Oh. 3 of those treasures to get us a bonus. We need 6 of the dynamites to land us the I think it's a hold and feature bonus.
Hold and spin.
Hold and spin bonus, yes.
They got different dynamites.
Yeah. And then the gold nuggets are wild.
So there you go.
There you are.
That's the whole.
3 more, 3 more.
You never get the bread, you know? It's never 3 and 3. Never happens that way.
It's always hard to land it when it's 3 on the first reel.
You be that way.
Yeah. Come on. One more.
I like when it lands like that.
Yeah.
135. I love that.
Oh, 135 is great.
It's always fun.
All of it's great, but yeah, 135 is fun.
Any of it's great, yeah.
Oh, it smells like the fair or like a cotton candy or something.
It does smell very sweet.
Yeah, whatever that is smells delicious.
We are next to the food court.
Oh, that could be it.
Probably has something to do with it.
Yeah.
Little $8 line hit there. Nothing to write home about up to this point. Looking to change that.
Oh, 3 more. Oh, we did it! See? You just had to talk a little bit of crap on it. And,
We got the regular bonus.
we got the regular bonus.
What a bonus nonetheless.
Go ahead, you landed it. Get it, babe.
Well, let's go.
Just gotta keep landing them now.
Hello.
Come on.
Nobody's home.
Nope.
You. You
I
got
know. We do get the cards. Nice. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Land more. Land more. Hey, hey, that's pretty good. Alright, cool.
We need to land something.
We need to land one right up there in that corner. Even here. Oh. Hey, honestly, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting because we've never played this game. Okay, I'm gonna go mini. Mini. We're on 5-cent deal. That was a short little train. What is that? Come on. All right, you gotta play the minor. Minor's available. Those are the minors. Can we get the minor, please? Bigger numbers, please. Bigger numbers, yes. Yeah. Get some of those. Glitter numbers. The glitter numbers, yes. Come on now.
Alright. It's an early bonus.
It's an early bonus, for sure. We'll take it.
We're going to complain about early bonuses
Yeah.
around here. I'd rather get an early bonus than no bonus at all.
Nice. All right, that takes us back to 105 here.
Let's run it back.
Let's see if we can get another one.
I feel like machines like this that people leave right after a bonus, they tend to dish a little. There's a little more juice left to squeeze.
I know. That's so
And
true.
I think that's the case here. I'm not a soothsayer or fortune teller, but I would venture a guess that we're going to continue winning.
Let's do it,
And
baby.
getting bonuses.
Oh. What do you think about a bet change or a denom change? How are you feeling? I'm just asking.
I mean, I like when I get bonuses, so
Okay.
we got one already.
Do you want to stay here?
I would think we should.
Okay. Oh, I think you're right. I think you're onto something.
I think people move around too much. I think people bounce around too much.
Okay.
Like, if you get a bonus, why would you want to change anything?
Yeah.
'Cause if you're not getting bonuses, yeah, you know, you change machines, change denom, like whatever.
Sure.
But if you're getting bonuses, I don't think there's any need.
We gotta get the treasure bonus now. I'll take the dynamite one. Ooh. Oh.
Man.
Oh, what is that?
We needed one more to get.
What is that,
We
you
would have the
guys?
double screen and the.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's. that's
Oh
tough.
my god.
That's a really tough screen.
Dang it. The ultimate teaser. One more.
Yeah, that would have been the giant screen, and I think a double screen too. Is what that
Is that what it is?
dynamite does.
The separate
Usually,
dynamites?
like, two-
I'm not sure. I actually have never played this game, so I'm curious to find out.
Please come to the public safety
One more. Hey, you did it, babe. Good job.
Let's
All right,
go.
cool.
Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
What do we want to do here?
12 free games or the dynamite feature in 5 seconds.
Shoot. What do you think, honey?
Anything.
Oh, I don't know. You pick. You landed it. You pick it. I'm not going to be upset at either one.
I'm gonna do the double feature.
Oh. Not upset. Hey, that's cool.
That's better.
That's fun. That's,
It's
yeah.
7 instead of 6, so that's
And
not bad.
it's good placement.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Get a big card.
Come on. Let's get a really big cart, you guys.
Man, that first spin is dead.
Come on. Come on. Let's land all of them. Let's land all of them.
We need this and more of that.
Yeah.
Both would be fantastic.
Come on, you guys.
All
Oh,
right. One more on that far right.
Right.
On the bottom left.
yes. Right here or right here, you guys. Come on. Let's land it. Let's land it. Land it. Land something. Land something. Oh, a little corner action there. You know what? It's still not bad. I'll take it. Miner's 250. Oh, man.
Bummer bonus.
Come on. What is that?
Well, again, you know, the bonuses are coming. It's hard to be upset.
I know. That is our second one on here.
They come, they go.
Yeah. Gotta get a. Oh! Every time you hear that, you think you're landing something. Gotta get a big cart. Big cart.
Down to get a big cart?
A big cart when we land those dynamites.
Get a big cart?
Gotta get like the major or the grand or something. I like that. Got people having fun around us.
Big Mariah Carey fans around here.
Can't go wrong with Mariah Carey. She's great. A legend.
I got
Oh, sorry. We both spin at the same time. Oh, that's what we need, you guys.
I want one of those.
Yeah, we gotta get that. Come on. Hey, 25's not bad. Fine hit. Come on, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come on. Where's this bonus? Do it. Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Needed the old double barreled one there.
The 5. How do you drop the 5 on us, man? Come on.
No one likes the Cinco.
I know. One more. Oh, you did it, babe. Good job. All right, everyone, make sure you like and subscribe to our page. We post slot videos every single day. We post shorts. Let's enjoy this bonus. Let's see where it takes us. Let's go. Hey, that's good placement right there. Let's make sure. Let's get that. Yeah. Let's get it. Come on, land this right here. Come on, do it. Do it. Aye. Come on, do this, babe. You got it. Aye. You just hit the mini. Nice. Alright. 30 bucks. Oh, one more. Yes! Back to back. Oh, I've actually never seen that. I know, this is the bonus we got.
I think that's too sweet. I think it's
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna back up here, you guys. Hold on just a second.
if you push my button.
I think we're good. Okay. All right.
Hit it. That's good.
Nice.
Okay.
That's great. Got the minor available. 250. Can we get those bottom ones?
Hit it.
Come on, you. Come on. Oh, that's really good. We got the major available.
Touch it
We
together.
gotta do it together.
1, 2, 3. 1.
Oh my
One away
gosh.
from a full screen.
I think that'll give you the grand, or like the opportunity for a grand.
Alright, so obviously we gotta do the bottom one first.
Yes. Oh my gosh, how exciting! Let's get it, you guys. Let's get this. Come on. We're waiting for a good win. Let's get a great win here.
So far we got 38 cents.
Come on. Alright.
We don't care about that one.
Okay. Come on, you guys. Can we land this major, please? That would be so exciting. Oh yeah. Move screen. This one. Go ahead, honey.
H for happy.
Yeah, let's do it. You guys, we gotta land this major. We gotta land the major. Come on. Come on, you guys, let's get this major. Let's get this major. Come on, let's do this. Let's get this major. Let's get it. Come on. Come on, give us this major. The major is 1,200. Come on, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this, you guys. Is it coming? Is it coming? Is the major train coming? Come on. All right. Sorry about the hiccup there, guys. There was a little bit of a connection issue. We But we wanted to show you what we ended up with here. Not bad. So close to landing that major. It was available to us, but we still won $109 and we're at $195. Almost doubled. We only put $100 in. That's pretty good on a 150 bet. That's great. The machine's kind of hot, so I want to see what else is gonna show up here. I think that was our 4th bonus, babe. Is that right? I can't count anymore. I've lost a little bit of track. All right. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. Hey, that should be that's pretty good. 625. Oh, we're landing a lot of nuggets here. Wild nuggets. What do you think, honey?
I think there's a little juice left.
Little juice left?
I'm okay with looking around at other options.
Alright, let's see if we can try another machine too. But honestly, this one's been really nice to us.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
3 solid bonuses.
Yeah. But you know what? I'm okay with 180. Leave it with a profit. Eureka Treasure Train. Honestly, a low bet of 150, 5-cent denom. Worked out for us. All right, you guys. We'll see you on the next one.